You're watching WMAR 2 News with Chief Meteorologist Lynette Charles.
Good morning, Maryland, and we are definitely dealing with some sun, some clouds, just like we were yesterday. It doesn't matter where you are. Westminster looking good this morning. We're looking good over into Manchester. We're looking good back into Havre de Grace. Just doesn't matter. As we go into the afternoon, we're still going to be dealing with a nice mix of sun and clouds out there for today as well. So just be prepared for that. Also be prepared for the humidity levels to go up in the next couple of days. Today might be slightly more humid than what it was yesterday, but nothing unbearable, nothing that we cannot tolerate at all, especially when you start comparing what's going to happen as we head into the end of the work week into the weekend. So the satellite and radar are really not picking up on a whole lot around Maryland. We really have to widen out that view and head back off towards the west to get some activity where they're going to be dealing with some strong thunderstorms there today. Big picture looks like this. As we do have above normal temperatures, that's pretty much going to be our focus for today, and they'll be just a little bit above average. So we should be at 88 degrees now for this time of the year. I'm forecasting right around 90, 91. That's exactly what we had yesterday. That temperature came in right around 90 degrees. And as we move in through the next several days, those temperatures are really going to bump up, but we are going to be dealing with a heat index that is going to be on the high side of things. I'll talk more about that coming up. But in terms of temperatures this morning in western Maryland, feeling good, cool, crisp out there. Look at the temperatures coming in the upper 50s, at contrast to what's happening in Annapolis, around Solomons, around Chesapeake Beach with those temperatures in the 70s and 75 in Stevensville. But with that said, it still feels pretty comfortable because the numbers, the dew point numbers, the measure of the moisture in the atmosphere isn't intolerable, isn't too high. So that's definitely some good news. As we head in through the next several days, though, you can see the muggy meter starts to go up. So those dew points start to get into the 70s. And once you get into the 70s, that's when you're talking about oppressive conditions. And we're going to be very oppressive out there, very sticky. You're going to want to seek air conditioning as much as possible. In terms of the rain, we do have a chance for a few spotty showers for tomorrow. Today, we should stay mainly dry, as we will have that nice mix of sun and clouds. And then we have those temperatures that shoot up into the mid-90s. But more importantly, we're going to feel more like the upper 90s to right around 100 degrees. So again, definitely going to want to seek shade. Let's go check the traffic now with Lauren.